We are less than 2 weeks away from the legalization of recreational marijuana in Illinois. Nicole Christine spent the day looking into the historic Cannabis Regulation and Tax Act. She joins us with important limitations to keep in mind.
Yeah, and there are quite a few, Sadie, because while this does legalize recreational marijuana in Illinois, it doesn't apply to everyone, and there are several restrictions you should be aware of before purchasing or consuming cannabis. Here's a rundown of some of those restrictions. Starting January 1st, recreational marijuana will be legal in Illinois, but this doesn't mean it's a green light for all. You must be at least 21 years old to purchase marijuana and are limited to 30 grams of cannabis flower, meaning plant leaves or buds, 500 milligrams of THC contained in a product, or 5 grams of cannabis concentrate, which is made through extracting cannabinoids through the plant. Finding recreational marijuana dispensaries in the Wabash Valley won't be easy, as the Clinic Effingham is taking one of 2 licenses available for 13 counties in east central Illinois, and the other license has yet to be claimed. Once you purchase marijuana, you have to transport it in a sealed container and can't consume it in any motor vehicle or public place. If a canine unit is able to smell the marijuana on you, you can still be punished by law enforcement. Your home isn't a place to smoke if it's used at any time as a licensed child care or social service care location. And you can't knowingly use cannabis in close proximity to anyone younger than 21. In the workplace, employers will still have the option to fully enforce drug testing and zero-tolerance policies regarding cannabis use. Businesses selling recreational marijuana will have several restrictions as well. When it comes to advertising, businesses can't advertise actual use of cannabis, health-related claims about cannabis, symbols such as a cannabis leaf, or any cartoons or characters that could appeal to people under 21. And while medicinal marijuana is already legal in Illinois, packaging for cannabis must still contain warnings that smoking can be bad for your health, legal or not. And as mentioned, there won't be more than 2 dispensaries licensed within a 13-county radius that includes Edgar, Clark, Crawford, and Coles counties, a lot in our area. And in several of our local Illinois counties, such as Clark County, dispensaries have already been decided to be banned even after January 1st.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's also important to note here that it is still not legal in Indiana.
Yeah, once you cross over those lines, you know, we've talked to law enforcement officials. They said they're going to be keeping an eye on those state lines, and they will be enforcing things once you pass over into the Hoosier state. So.
All right. Good.